The popularity of Greek yogurt is booming, thanks to its healthy and protein-rich composition. However, for every 100 pounds of milk used in Greek yogurt, only 1/3 ends up in the final product. The other 2/3 of the milk is acid whey, a byproduct that most producers regard as waste. The result is needless overhead, tight margins, and an environmentally unfriendly product. But there's an alternative approach. It eliminates the growing volumes of excess acid whey by transforming it into added-value dairy products that can be sold to the quality and ecologically minded consumer. How? The key is Nutralac by Arla Foods Ingredients, an award-winning protein solution derived from milk. It enables Greek yogurt producers to generate revenue from their waste stream by turning acid whey into a raw material with sustainable qualities, simply by adding Nutralac and water. The result? 100% yield, no waste, and an extended product portfolio that helps meet growing consumer demand for eco-friendly dairy products that are tasty and nutritious. Unlock the full potential of your production with Arla Foods Ingredients. Quality starts here.